Hi everybody, super excited to be here because I'm going to play with my shimmers today. I'm so fond of this palette. If you are with me since the very beginning, you already know that I have a series on Bijoux Royal and of course on other palettes too from Viseart, but this one is my favorite. So today I'm going to show a very smoky blue kind of look to all of you, and of course there will be mix and match from the other Viseart palettes. Are you up for that? If you are, let's grab colors and get started with me because this is going to be super fun. You know, I always love to work with shimmers, so I'm going to get started. Yeah, I know I can go on and on about Bijoux Royal. These blues, yeah, you guessed it. Whenever I'm with this palette, it's just a aha moment for me. Yeah, and the inspiration is coming from nature, actually from the aquarium, and I do not have the pictures with me because I was so mesmerized with the colors that I just kept watching. Didn't want to distract myself by taking some pictures, so never mind. This is a very beautiful aquarium look coming from a very beautiful blue fish, and definitely I don't know the name of that fish. I guess that's okay. The color inspiration is coming from that fish. Blue is on. Shimmers are super easy to work with, and there you go, one shadow eye look. But I am going to use a couple of more colors because you know I'm a color lover and I am with my favorite palette, so you can see the excitement, right? Okay, all over my lid. Look at that. It is already enhancing the feature of my eyes right there. And now I'm going to go back to my, can you guess, the most colorful palette from Viseart. Yesterday also I used it and I don't mind at all using it again. Deluxe crease brush and that yellow. You will see, my friends, this is going to be a super exciting, super fun look. Yeah, I'm going right there with yellow. Nature's combinations are the best combinations in my opinion. I mean, this blue with this yellow. Don't worry about losing color because you know what to do. Round 2, I always go for that. Let the yellow sink right there. I'm back with my Viseart Editorial Brights and my Bijoux Royal, and I'm super excited, super excited to show this look to all of you. And of course I would definitely want you to give it a try because, my friends, playing with colors is always fun. Okay, adding some more yellow and then we'll see what's next. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of brown, and that brown is going to come from my Petit Pro 1. Now this is a super handy palette. I'm going to use this brown. I'm going to go over that yellow part, actually the borderline. Mirror is pretty handy, palette is pretty handy. You already know that my love for Viseart palettes. On my socket line, and there you go. Are you excited too? Well, that's what I want. I want you to get excited and be playful with the colors and share some experience with me on the comment section, okay? Pretty soon I'm going to go for my Sephora visit, and pretty soon I'll be uploading a video on my refills, and I really hope that you all are interested because those products are my staple products and I will always repurchase them. Blue again. This helps me, you know, whenever I feel that I'm losing little bit of that color punch, I add it, and these are so blendable that it's easy to layer them. Alright, and now I'm going to work with my Libertine palette. Stay with me. I'm going to go for this professional blending brush from E.L.F. The cut is really beautiful, just like a paintbrush, so it's easier for me to really get into that shape. The arrow one, oh, it has mirror. Yes, make an arrow right there. I just love to play with different palettes. I just love to get one color from one palette and some other color from some other palette. This is a nice blue, a rich one and very unique. I never had any blue just like this in my makeup collection, and I'm super happy to work with this. Sometimes it helps, you know, if you do not want to use black, you can always go for this blue. Can you see the difference? And now I am going to take this blue, but in a very pinpointed way. This is my small smudge brush and I'm going to take that blue, yeah, right there. It is going to be something like halo kind of effect. I'm really looking for that today, the innermost corners. And how about taking that shade with my small smudge brush and going all over that arrow shape. Beautiful blend of colors. And now I'm going to take some of the light blue. I think I'm going to go for this blue. Actually it is teal, but let me play with that a little and let's see how it goes. Yes, very saturated color, and just look at that. I'm having my fun with all of these colors, but I think I can use that light blue shade on the center of my lid because I kind of want to use that shade. Yeah, let me take this. This shade is very nice, you know, very pigmented, yeah, but look at that. Look at that. It has a very slight blue touch and I feel that it's a silver kind of shade, and I'm just touching my lid in a very gentle way so that I can see this silver blue kind of shade on my lid, but not in a saturated way. Yeah, just be playful with your palette, my friends. I'm sure you will have super fun look. This is going to be super smoky and I am pretty satisfied with this look. I hope you don't mind me going a little bit more with my editorial brights, right? Let the color be there. This layering is everything to me. Now that I have got enough color on my lid, there has to be something on my lower lash line as well. And I'm going to take that brown with my contour brush. That's right, because I really want a little bit of warmth down there. When the colors are so pigmented and so blendable, you can always add and always see for yourself that you can make some adjustments or not. Do you really need some more color? Do you really need some more warmth? So this brown is going to warm it up a little on my lower lash line, but there is another color that I want to bring in, and that would be not the yellow. smudge brush and this beautiful sea green. Super aqua look. I just guess I'm super excited. That's why I'm using that word again and again. Super excited, super blendable, super colorful. Well, that's how I feel about this palette. And all of you who already have this palette can get another look, right? Different combinations. As many combinations as we can have with the palette. We have invested in this palette, so we definitely want to create as many looks as possible with this palette. That's what I feel. Okay, and the final touch with the yellow. Then I'm going to go for this contour brush. There will be a little bit of warm brown touch. I don't mind that. Dust it off, just a bit of it. Do you see that? That yellow right around the corner? Everything is coming along beautifully. That's what I love about nature, you know. I wouldn't have thought about this combination, but the moment I saw that fish, I was like, wow, nature is amazing. We all know that. And now I'm going to try blending all those colors together to get something beautiful on my eyes. Liner work, and then we'll see, do we need to add a little bit of golden shade? We'll see. I'll be right back. You know what, friends, I went pretty roughly on my lower lash line with my NYX liner, and now I'm going to take that green shade again, and I am trying to do something like this with that beautiful black liner and this green. I want them to come together and give me a nice smoky greenish black touch on my lower lash line. That's what I'm looking for, and that's what I'm going for. Yeah, pretty greenish and black, rich black touch on my lower lash line, and a little bit more on my upper lash line with blue. Now, in my yesterday's video, I already shared that I love to go for this technique, going all over my liner with a shadow. That way I get a very smooth and very saturated, intense finish, and I kind of enjoy it. Sometimes I go for my Viseart Golden Hour palette, the black shadow, and now that I've got another blue shadow in my Libertine palette, I like to use that too for this purpose as well. So that's what is giving me this intense bluish black touch on my upper lash line. Not that I'm going somewhere, but I'm still in a super smoky look mood, and I love to be playful with these colors. Okay, mascara, and two more things. Do you see this champagne shade and this gold shade? Both are my favorites, yeah, but I'm going to go for this champagne shade on my lid and just place it here to add a little something extra. Now, for some of you it can be a very complicated look. For some it'll be very simple, but for everyone this will be a super fun look, that is for sure. So give it a try. Lots of mascara today because I really want that dramatic touch. Okay, with my sponge tip, very good way to go. The golden touch, I really like going beyond my inner corners. Again, I have to say that you already know that. If you don't, go watch my videos. That's it, my friends. Okay, almost there. The dramatic lashes, and there you go. Always a good idea after you use shadow, because there could be some shadows on your lashes, so coat with mascara, and that's the look. Do you want to know what's on my lips today? Now that you have already watched the eye look, this is my Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy lip gloss, and the shade name is in the description box if you really want to know. This is a very beautiful peachy kind of gloss. I love to work with these glosses. I have a couple of them. Yeah, it came in a holiday set. Yes. So that's it, my friends. All the palettes that I have used in this look will be mentioned in the description box. Also, I'm thinking of mentioning the colors too, because that way it will get easier for all of you if you want to create this look. So stay tuned. I'll be right here tomorrow with another fun eye look, or maybe lipsticks. Yeah. That video idea is also there in my mind. So let's see. Bye for now. Have a great day and be playful with the colors. Yeah, have fun. See you soon.